Positions of a point and a straight line with respect to a circle. Firstly, positions of a point with respect to a circle. Number 1, if MA smaller than the radius, then the point A lies inside the circle. If the length of AM is smaller than the radius of the circle, then the point A lies inside the circle. Number 2, if AM is equal to the length of the radius of the circle, then the point A lies on the circle. Number 3, if AM greater than the radius length of the circle, then the point A lies outside the circle. Then we have 3 positions of a point with respect to a circle: inside and on and outside. Positions of the straight line with respect to a circle. The first case, the straight line L is outside the circle because AM is greater than the radius. Number 2, the straight line L is called tangent of the circle M if AM equals the radius of the circle. Case number 3, the straight line L is called secant if AM is smaller than the radius of the circle. Then we have 3 positions of a straight line with respect to a circle: outside, tangent, and secant. The tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius drawn from the point of tangency. Number 2, the 2 tangents drawn from the endpoints of a diameter are parallel. Example number 1. In the opposite figure, M is the circle, the chord BA parallel BC, XY is a tangent to the circle M at B. If measure of angle ABY equals 50, find measure of angle CBX. Proof. Since XY is a tangent to the circle M, and as we know, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius of the circle from the point of tangency. Therefore, measure of angle MBY equals measure of angle MBX equals 90 degrees. So, therefore, measure of angle MBA equals 90 minus 50, it will be 40. And we have 2 straight lines are parallel, AB parallel to MC. Therefore, measure of angle MBA equals measure of angle CMB equals 40, alternate. Since MC equals MB, 2 radii, as we know the radii of the circle are equals in length, then the triangle MBC is an isosceles triangle. Then we can find the measure of angle MCB, which is equal to measure of angle MBC, because the triangle MBC is an isosceles triangle, which is equals 180 minus 40 divided by 2. Then measure of angle MBC equals 70. Then measure of angle CBX equals 90 minus 70, it will be 20 degrees.